Hello everyone. Last week I launched a multi-tenant FastAPI template, and I've been adding new features whenever I get the time. This week I implemented Domain and DNS Mapping for tenants. In this video I will walk you through how it works. By the way, my name is Sajan and I'm a software engineer. I enjoy consulting, helping startups and building web applications. So don't be shy. Just check out the repo and give it a star if you find it useful. All right, let's get into it. So the template already supports multi-tenancy, which means anyone can register as a tenant by default. Uh, when a tenant signs up, the system automatically creates a subdomain uh, under the host main domain. This is quite common in SaaS application. I'm just gonna log in as a host for this demo because I've already created a tenant under this application that's called Sajan'sTech is a tenant. So I'll be using that one for this demo. So let's see how why the custom domain is so important. Because mostly the tenants or prefer to use their own custom domain. So that's exactly why I built this because I want tenant to onboard their own domain for their applications. So in Sajan'sTech tenant, when I created this tenant the system created this subdomain which is Sajan'sTech.demo.fs or app.xyz. So I'm just gonna click on that. So yeah, as you can see, just loading it as a tenant. Now I'm just gonna log in with my credentials. This is the tenant admin credentials. With this credentials, you can actually go to the tenant settings. This is, as you can see, I've logged in as a tenant. You can see it on the top. It's a tenant Sajan'sTech, and also the informations are displayed under the profile settings as well. So now, uh, as a tenant, you want to add your domain, right? So first step, you need to click the Add Custom Domain. When you click that, so you will be presented with some instruction. This is must you have to do before you add your custom domain. This is basically just a simple CNAME record. You need to add it in your DNS system. The DNS settings that's you can manage your DNS under Cloudflare or Namecheap, GoDaddy, whatever that is. So just create a CNAME record and yeah, point your subdomain. In this case, I've already done it with Cloudflare, so this will be really quick. So yeah, once you have done this CNAME configuration in your DNS management, and then you can just create a domain, just map a domain. So in this case, in this example, I'm just gonna use my app.sajankumarv.tech. And when you click add domain, it will take a few minutes to pass, and then there you go. The domain is active currently. So now, as a tenant, I can just simply click this link to log in as my one domain. If you see in the URL, it's now my app.sajankumarv.tech. That's why you have to log in again because it's a different domain. The cookies are gone. So in this case, I'm gonna log in again with my tenant credentials. There you go. I'm logged in as my with my one domain. So in general, the DNS propagation may take up to 24 hours, but these days, yeah, it's much faster, especially with my experience with Cloudflare. It's always great. So yeah, once the domain is active, you will see an active check mark, and this also can be, monitored under your host management. So if you log in as a host, you should be able to see that this tenant is configured your custom domain, and if that active, you will get a small tick mark there. So yeah, uh, that's it. Your custom domain is now live, so you can use that link to log in and start using your tenant environment. So that's all for this demo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video and feature. Bye.